Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter number 17, comprehension from the book English Grammar 2. Read the passage carefully and tick the correct option. So we have to read this passage and understand this, and we have to answer some question based on this passage. Okay. The penguins are birds that cannot fly but are good swimmers. तो जो penguins होती हैं वो ऐसी birds होती है जो कि fly नहीं कर सकती but they can swim. बहुत अच्छी swimmers होती हैं. Okay. They live in Antarctica and on the coast of Africa and Australia. ये ज्यादातर अंटार्कटिका में रहती है और अफ्रीका और ऑस्ट्रेलिया के कोस्ट पर भी हमें देखने को मिलती है. The smallest penguin is 40 centimeter tall. It is called the blue fairy. जो सबसे smallest penguin है वो 40 centimeter tall है और उसे हम blue fairy कहते हैं. The tallest penguin is the emperor, which is almost 120 centimeter tall. जो tallest penguin है उसको emperor कहते हैं जो कि 120 centimeter tall होती है. Penguins feed on fish, squid and small shrimp. जो penguins होती है वो fish, squid और small shrimps पर feed करती हैं, खाती हैं उन्हें. Okay? They are the prey of leopard, seals and killer whales. ये prey मानी जाती हैं leopards का, seals का और killer whales का. Penguins. Okay? Now A, tick the correct option. So we have to tick the correct one. First, which of the following about the penguins is correct? We have some statement. We have to tell which of the statement is correct. First, penguins are animals but can fly. Penguins animals होती हैं जो कि fly कर सकती हैं. Second, penguins are birds but cannot fly. Penguins birds होती है but ये fly नहीं कर सकती. Third, penguins are insects but can fly. Penguins insect होती हैं जो कि fly कर सकती हैं. So the correct one is second one. Penguins birds होती है but वो fly नहीं कर सकती. So we'll tick on second one. Second, penguins are good at dash. Penguins किस चीज में good होती हैं, अच्छी होती हैं? We have options. First swimming, second flying, third climbing. The correct answer is first one, swimming. So we'll tick on that. Third, which of the following is the smallest penguin? सबसे smallest penguin कौन सी होती हैं? We have options. First pink fairy, second red fairy, third blue fairy. The correct answer is blue fairy. Fourth, the smallest penguin is about dash. जो smallest penguin होती है वो कितने सेंटीमीटर tall होती है? We have options. First 40 centimeter tall, second 50 centimeter tall, third 120 centimeter tall. The correct answer is 40 centimeter tall. Then we have fifth, which of the following is the tallest penguin? इनमें से कौन सी tallest penguin है? We have options. First fairy, second emperor, third queen. The correct answer is emperor. Then we have sixth one, the tallest penguin is about dash. जो tallest penguin होती है उसका क्या size होता है? We have options. First 10 centimeter tall, second 15 centimeter tall, third 120 centimeter tall. The correct answer is 120 centimeter tall. Then again, read the passage carefully and answer the questions that follow. We have to read again the passage and answer some questions based on the passage. Once there lived some frogs in a pond. एक बार की बात है, एक पॉन्ड में, तालाब में कुछ फ्रॉग्स यानी कि मेंढक रहा करते थे. They wanted to have a king. The frogs prayed to the god. They said, please give us a king. उन्हें अपने लिए एक किंग चाहिए था. उन्होंने गॉड से प्रे किया और बोला प्लीज हमें किंग दे दो, राजा दे दो. The god gave them a big log. The frog called it king log. गॉड ने उन्हें एक लॉग दिया. लॉग क्या होता है? लकड़ी का एक मोटा सा टुकड़ा होता है, वो दिया. एंड द फ्रॉग कॉल्ड इट किंग लॉग, उसे किंग लॉग बोलते थे वो. ठीक है. King Log did not do anything for the frogs. He just lay there in the pond. King Log frogs के लिए कुछ नहीं करता था, वो सिर्फ pond में पड़ा रहता था. The frogs felt unhappy. The frogs prayed again to God. Frogs को बहुत ज्यादा unhappy feel हुआ. Okay. And they again prayed from God. This king is dull, they said. Please give us another king. We want an active king. कहते हैं कि ये जो किंग आपने दिया है ये बहुत ज्यादा डल है. प्लीज गिव अस अनदर वन जो कि एक्टिव हो, फुर्तीला हो. God sent them a stork. King Stork was very active. He ate up all the frogs. So God ने उन्हें एक स्टॉक दिया. स्टॉक एक बहुत बड़ी बर्ड होती है और स्टॉक बहुत ज्यादा एक्टिव थी. उसने क्या किया, सारे फ्रॉग्स को खा लिया. नाउ बी टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. फर्स्ट, देयर लिव्ड सम डैश इन अ लार्ज पॉन्ड. पॉन्ड में कौन रहते थे? वी हैव ऑप्शंस. फर्स्ट फ्रॉग, सेकंड फिश, थर्ड स्नेक्स. द करेक्ट आंसर इज फ्रॉग्स. Second, the frogs wanted to have a dash. Frogs को क्या चाहिए था? We have options. First queen, second king, third prince. The correct answer is king. Third, first the god gave the frogs dash. पहले god ने frogs को क्या दिया? We have options. First king log, second king stork, third king snake. The correct answer is king log. Fourth, who was very active? कौन बहुत ज्यादा एक्टिव था? We have options. First king log, second king stork, third both. Correct answer is king stork. Now see, read the poem and answer the questions given below. We have to read this poem and answer some questions. When I was down beside the sea, a wooden spade they gave to me to dig the sandy shore. My holes were empty like a cup. In every hole the sea came up, till it could come no more. Errol Stevenson. So, in this poem, this is about a seashore. Child is playing on the seashore. It is about that thing. And child को एक wooden spade दिया गया है ताकि वो sand में डिग कर सके, गड्ढा खोद सके, होल्स बना सके. जो उसके होल्स वो बना रहा था वो एम्प्टी थे, कप की तरह जैसे होते हैं, एम्प्टी थे. जब जब सी आगे आता तो उसके अंदर पानी भर जाता, जब नहीं आता तो नहीं होता कुछ भी. इट इज रिटन बाय R.L. Stevenson. Okay, now we have some questions. Question 1, who do you think is speaking in the poem? The answer is the child is speaking in the poem. Question 2, what is the poem about? The poem is about a child who is playing beside the sea near the seashore. Question 3, where does the child play? The child is playing on the seashore. Question 4, what does the child do? The child having a spade to dig the holes in the sandy shore. Okay? So, I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye-bye.